Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a childhood favorite of mine, which is chicken curry puffs. My mom would normally buy this on the streets of KL, but I would always tell her that there was not enough ingredients. I was mainly eating potato. So basically what I did was I tried to simplify this recipe by using puff pastry that is readily available in the supermarket. And instead of frying it, which is bad for your health apparently, I am going to bake it in the oven. So today, we are going to use minced chicken as our main ingredient, which I am going to saute with diced onion and cubed potatoes. But before I actually do that, I will marinate the chicken with curry powder, turmeric powder, and red hot chili pepper. So the red hot chili powder actually gives you the little kick that you need in a curry puff. I would also marinate it with some oyster sauce, salt, sugar, and chicken stock powder. I'm going to start cooking now. 600 grams of minced chicken, and this is the curry powder, which is 3 tablespoons of curry powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, chicken stock powder, 1 teaspoon, red hot chili powder, half a tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So what we're going to do is we're just going to mix it in, and we're going to let it sit for a few hours. Okay. The reason why I like to do this is because at least the marinade would have soaked in to the meat. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and then half a tablespoon of turmeric, and I'm going to put half a tablespoon of red hot chili powder. Cool! Look at that! Beautiful golden brown homemade curry puffs.